Hello guys, my name is Fitri Jayanti and you can call me Aya with NPM 244111043. Today I want to talk to you about the market versus of supply and demand principle of economy. What factor affect buyers demand of goods? What factor affect seller supply of goods? How do supply and demand determine of price of a good and the quantity sold? How the change in the factor that affect demand or supply affect the market price and quantity of a good. How the market allocates resources. Next, market and competitive. A market is a group of buyers and sellers of a particular product. A competitive market is one with many buyers and sellers as a negligible effect on price. In a perfectly competitive market, all goes exactly the same, buyers and sellers so numerous no one can affect market price as is a price taker. In the chapter, we also market are perfectly competitive. Next, the demand. The quantity demand of any good is the amount of the good that buyers are willing and able to purchase. Law of demand, the claim that the quantity demand of a good falls when the price of the good rise, other things equal. The demand schedule. Demand schedule a table that shows the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demand. Example, Helen demand for less notice that Helen's prefixes obey the law of demand. And guys, you can see the table on the side. Next, Helen demand schedule and curve. You can see the curve and the table on the side. Market demand versus individual demand. The quantity demand in the market is the sum of the quantity demand by all buyers at a price. Suppose Helen and Ken are the only two buyers in the lead market. QD, quantity demand. You can see the table. And next, you can see the market demand curve for leads and the curve and the table. Demand curve shifter. The demand curve shows how price affect a quantity demand. Other things being equal. These other things are non-price determinant of demand. Things are determined buyers demand for a good other than of the good price. Change in the demand shift the day curve. Demand curve shifters of buyers. Increase in of buyers increase quantity demand at a price shift the curve to the right. Demand curve shifter, you can see the curve and the table. Demand curve shifters income. Demand for a normal good is positively related to income. Increase to income cause increase to quantity demand at a price shift the curve to the right. Demand for an inferior good is negatively related to income. Increase in income shift the curve for inferior good to the left. Demand curve shifter price of relative good. The good as complement is an increase to the price of one cause a fall in demand for the other. Example, computers and softwares. If price of computer rises, people buy fewer computers and therefore less software. Software demand curve shift left. Other example, collect tuition and textbook, pickles and cream cheese, eggs and bacon. Next, demand curve shifter taste. Anything that causes a shift the texture for what a good will increase demand for the good and shift it the curve to the right. Example, at the Atkins date become popular in the 90s, caused the increase in demand for eggs shifter the egg demand curve to the right. Demand curve shifter expectation affect consumer buying decisions. Example, if people expect their income to rise, their demand to the malls and impressive restaurant might increase now. If the economy soars and people worry about their future job security, demand for new autos might fall now. And next is supply. The quantity supplied of any goods is the amount the sellers are willing to able to sell. How low to supply the claim that the quantity supplied a good versus what the price of the good versus other thing equal. The supply schedule a table that shows The relationship between the price of a good and a quantity supplied. Example, Starbucks supply of letters. Notice that Starbucks supply schedule obey the law of supply. You can see the Starbucks supply schedule and curve. Market supply versus individual supply. The quantity supplied in the market is the sum of the quantity supplied by all sellers at its price. Suppose Starbucks and Jitters and the only two sellers in the market. QS is quantity supplied. You can see the table on the side. And guys, so that about the principle of economy. So thank you and see you.